Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see here, after the daily candle finished, what the market given us, let me zoom it a little bit for the picture to get more clear to you. As you see it here, what the market given us here, the market he gave us here a clear pin bar there, indicating that the market is going to reverse. Let's zoom it a little bit together. As you see it here, it came the market here and give us here a pin bar here, indicating the market is going to reverse. Should we enter short? No, not yet. There is nothing here indicating the market is going to reverse. Till now, technically, also still in an uptrend. You need to remember that. And even if we zoom in out like that, you see here where you are. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. And that normal, some people, those was the enter from down here, they're taking some of the profit here. But till now, there is nothing indicating the market is going to reverse. Also, we're still in an uptrend and we are above the 200 moving average. Me personally, I think there is a correction. Maybe it's going to come till the 200 moving average. Maybe then after that, it's going to go higher. That's a part of trading. And here, look with me here, the daily wage here. It's being broken all the whole day. Then after that, it's falling down. So that's something not good. So now what shall we do? We need to wait in tomorrow candle what is going to tell us, or the weekly candle, because tomorrow the weekly candle is going to finish. If it's going to break for us here, that's something very good. That means us we're breaking that wage here, and all those people they still waiting at 10k, let them to wait. And one thing very important, because those days I saw a lot of people online detailing scarness is a trap, is a blah blah blah. There is no one know exactly in the planet where is the Bitcoin it will go, if is it a trap or not. Us, why we enter long? Because we got price actions, they getting broke, that way us we enter long. That's it. We enter from down here because we used to have here a double bottom, we enter long. Now the market, look with me here what it giving you here. Look the market what it giving you here. It give you here a cup and handle, very clear here. Look at it. It's getting broke here. That one, the take profit of it is at 30k. So from 15k till 30k is a trap. If you saw like that, that's another story. Yes, it's going to be corrections, but you are in an uptrend. You can't change it. That way also we've been telling you guys, we will be in here all along. We've been here. From here, exactly. Me, I remember it from here. I've been telling you guys, just they say and forget about all those people, because those people, they never ever trade. They don't know how to make money, because you know when there is millionaires, they make money. They make it when is it a bear market, not when is it a bull market. When is it a bull market is only the fool people, they enter into the market that time. When is it the bear market, that when is it people who are smart, they started buying. That's the right time for you to double your account. When is it a bull run, you will not double your account. You will earn some money, but you will not double your account. You need to remember those things, me, I'm telling you. So now what should we do here? Nothing, my friend. You just need to wait in tomorrow candle what is going to tell us if we are going to break here or no. Because if we going from now from the daily to the weekly, here in the weekly where you are, look with me here, where you are here in the weekly, you still below in the 200 moving average. Yes or no? It's need at least the market to break the 200 moving average. And the weekly is still in a downtrend. You need to remember that. Another thing here, let me show you that the trend line also we're talking about here in the weekly, it's breaking. You saw it or no? It's need that weekly candle here to close like that for you to thinking of the market is going to reverse, and the market here is going to give you like that a very clear double bottom. Look with me here. You just came here in the weekly, you change it from candles like that to lines. What you seeing? You see or no? Look here and look here. You got a very clear double bottom. If it's getting broke here, that's another story. I explained to you like that for everyone to understand. Should you enter long? No. I'm talking about long-term traders. Long-term traders, it's need that weekly candle here to close like that. If it close like how it is like that, we're going to see it. But till now, the candle it hasn't finished. It's left for it tomorrow. And tomorrow, we need to wait on what the market is going to do. It's going back to the daily. And here in the daily, let me show you something very important here in the daily. What you see in here in the volume, you see it is being increasing here the time when it's going up. Yes or no? But now it's not going up. Look at it. Just like a trap. It's showing here like a trap. Yes or no? Should you enter short? No, you don't got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. Only if it came something in the future. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, also what we do, used to have here a small channel here. When it's getting broke here, we enter long. Look where we are now. Should we enter short now? No. Should you enter long? Long it's been from here. Now you need to check some of the profit. And here in the 4 hours, look with me. You came to that pin bar here and that one here. And you connecting those dots like that. And here in the top like that. What you got? You got a megaphone. You just need to close it here like that. You give it a handle here like that. You got a megaphone. Yes or no? Should you enter long? No. Short, if it came a break lower here in that level here of 20k, we will close all our long position and we will open a short position. You need to remember that. If it came a break in here, we will close all our long position and we will open a short position. I think everything is very simple and clear. Till now, we don't got nothing. Unless if it came something here, that's another story. It's going to give us a new price action. But now the only price action we have is that one. That one here. That's it. If it came lower here and breaking here, we will enter short. That meant just that one. It's just a manipulation for small people to enter. They think of the market will go up, and then they will send it down more. That's how us we trading. Even if all our indicators they are at the overbought or at oversold, will not enter long or enter short. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, look at it here. That way me thinking is going to reverse. Look at it. What you got here. You see here in that level and that level here. Over here is very high. But here, look at it. Look now is very low, but look at it where it is now. Is a divergence, something not right in that chart. Should we enter short? Not yet. We don't got any price action. The price action we got is that one. If it came lower now and descended here, enter short. Yes, that's it. But till now, there is nothing confirmed. We need to wait more, guys. Now, let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, we are here at the overbought area. Level, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. Should we enter short? The chart thing, what is it? That you need always to remember it. Chart thing is the price action. The price action you got a megaphone here. If it came and break a lower here, yes, you can enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. It might from here is going to break that level here and it will go to the 30k also we're talking about. So till now, there is nothing confirmed. You need to wait and more. Don't believe that other people they just doing clickbait or those famous titles for just you to click at the video. No one exactly know what the Bitcoin is going to do. Even if the Satoshi Nakamoto is a human being, he doesn't know where is the Bitcoin it will go. If we are going to 30k or 12k or anything, you are here just to make money. If it's breaking higher, fair enough. Also we enter from down here from 15k. If it's getting broke here, we will enter another short. If it came another buy opportunity in the future, we will enter another buy opportunity. Also, we don't care about the banks and all those things. Also, we are not here to change out the world regime. Also, we are here to make money. That's it. If it go up, we will go with it. If it fall down, we will enter in it short. That's it. That's how also we making money. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, also we enter long because of here. Same channel we used to have in the 4 hours. When it's getting broke here, we enter long. Look where we are. We take a nice profit tail now. Should we enter short now? From here. No, my friend. The only price action you have there is that one. Same thing, a megaphone. Unless if the market came here and give you a double bottom, that's another story. And another thing, very, very, very important here in 30 minutes. Let me show it to you. Look with me here, guys. That trend line, that weekly trend line here in the week, in 30 minutes is getting broke here. You see it or no? And now it tested from the top now. So if that one came and breaking the last high, which is here, we will know that a real breakout, not a fake breakout here. Because that tell us we seen in daily, here it's making candles. Should we enter long? No. If it came and breaking here, that last high, maybe we can enter long. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is it here at the overbought area. Level. You are in a very stronger level. I'll show it to you in the daily and 4 hours. Price action you got here, that megaphone. If that one came and break a lower here, you enter short. That's it. That's how you need to trade. Our other indicator, what is it saying? Let me show it to you. That one here, look with me here. What you got? You see it or no? You got a very clear divergence. Should you enter short? No. Unless if it came and breaking the lower of that megaphone, yes. If it's not, there is no entry short. And now it needs to break for you even that trend line we got here. For you to enter short. Everything is too clear? So, that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now.